Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this beanie from Fishetarian Fish Market. This is a beanie sold by Fishetarian in Bodega Bay in California. They sell some swag, awesome fish market. Fishetarian Fish Market. Bummer free since 2012, Northern California. Tucked off Pacific Coast Highway 1, you'll discover Fishetarian Fish Market, your one-stop shop for good eats, good vibes, and fresh fish. Aw. Husband and wife team Shane and Dana Lucas bring a sea-to-table approach with their love of fresh fish and sourcing local and organic ingredients. Don't leave without trying the piled high fish tacos, panko crusted fish and chips, or the award-winning clam chowder, and be sure to pick up some local seafood from the fish case on your way out. Yep, really cool spot, highly recommended. Really nice, high quality beanie. Their food was so good, had to get some merch. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. If you've been to this market, let me know what you think of it. And catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.